Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm super glad to have you. I hope everybody enjoys the video. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing. Today I am making a custom t-shirt. I'm taking a JPEG image. I'm going to convert it to a print and cut that I'm going to actually print it on printable heat transfer vinyl for dark colors. You can see I've got a dark colored t-shirt. It's black. The brand that I'm using is Silhouette. So we'll see how well this goes. Printer wise, I'm using the Epson ET2760, but I'll just show you real quick how to get a JPEG image into a print and cut. It is super easy. Okay, you can see I've got it there. It's the Deftones image, but you just go to upload image. I've got the file here on the right. Lay it in there. It asks you if you want simple, moderate, complex. I don't see why you would ever pick anything but complex. You want the best quality ever, so that it's giving me a preview. You have the option at this point to erase. Click areas of the image you want to remove. I'm not going to do that because I want the entire image. You can make it smaller, bigger. Apply and continue. It's showing the standard SVG as a gray background. That's because it's not an SVG file I've uploaded. It's a JPEG, but it shows the print and cut. You can change the name, give yourself your search tags, and once you click upload, it is there. I am not going to click upload because I already have the image. Done all that, but I thought I'd just quickly show you in case you've never done a shirt this way. Now, print and cut, you have a maximum size height at 9.25, and then the width, I believe, is 6.75. So always keep that in mind when you're doing any type of print and cut. You are limited by design space, by the software. So this is going to be a longer image, but not super wide. I think it's still going to look great. This is a lower resolution JPEG image that I'm using. That's the best quality I could find. So it almost has a faded, retro, hazy look to it. So I'm hoping this is going to turn out great. When it comes to printing, you just go into Make It. And it looks a little weird here, and it did something weird. It's supposed to be wider than that. I've already actually printed this out, so I'm just showing you the steps here. So you click continue. It's going to yell at me because my maker's not on. Click X. You're sending it to the printer first. So when you click that, if you have more than one printer, this is where you get to choose which one. My Brother printer is a laser printer, black and white. Make sure to add bleed, and this will extend the ink slightly beyond the border of the image to eliminate a white margin. So that's why you want that. And then if you turn on Use System Dialog, this allows your printer dialog box to come up. So turn that on, click Print. If you don't see your printer dialog box at this point, just look in behind Cricut Design Space because it's just hiding there. But we will head over to my craft table and put this on. Okay, so this is what the Silhouette printable heat transfer paper looks like. Let me open it up. I've already printed out the image, but I thought I would just quickly show you so you can see. So it comes with 5 sheets, and then it also comes with your tissue. The instructions are here. So this is the print and cut instructions. And then, oh yeah, it's got the rest of them on here. So these instructions go with using an iron and doing it for approximately 2 minutes. I'm using my Easy Press, and we are trying this at 340 degrees based on the Cricut heat guide for printable heat transfer vinyl at 30 seconds, and then we'll press the back. So let me get this out of the way.
and we can get started. Okay, so this is what it looks like all printed. It's not thick material. It's not sticky or anything when you peel it off, but it's not, like, I feel like I gotta be very gentle. I did have bleed turned on, so that's why you can see a bit of a border there. I'm not gonna pinch this how I would normally pinch iron-on, because for iron-on, I'm pinching the carrier sheet. This doesn't have a carrier sheet. So we get to line this up the old-fashioned way. With a ruler, if I could find my ruler. Oh, why is it when you need a ruler, you can't find it? There it is. Okay. So I know you can't see my line, but this is just over almost 6.5 inches wide. So I need it to be lined up at the 3/4 mark. So that's the 3/4 mark there. I'm not trusting that. Let's do the top. Over just a bit. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let me check the bottom. Definitely harder to line this up. Okay, how's that looking? I think that looks pretty good. Let's get a sheet of their parchment. Lay that down. Actually, I don't know where I put it. I'm going to pause you because I actually have heat resistant tape and I should be using it on this. Okay, I changed my mind because I don't know if the tape's going to affect the heat transfer vinyl. So we will lay this down, press start, press down. I'm giving very firm pressure. I know I'm giving firm pressure because I can see my camera shaking. Now, it was definitely hard trying to find what's the best temperature. Some people were saying 350. You know, obviously the instructions for Silhouette are saying, oh, you only need smaller amount. He's a smoking. Not sure what that is. Might be just a piece of fabric. Okay, so I pressed the back for an extra 10 seconds, no pressure, just to be on the safe side. But this looks like it's adhered very nicely. I can see the design of the cotton itself, and that's what you're looking for with any type of iron-on. So very happy how this one turned out as well. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.